Let's be real, a lot of piano warm-ups are super boring. Today we're gonna go over 5 piano exercises that are good for you, but they're also very fun to play. These warm-ups are perfect for piano beginners. And if you'd like more videos on how to go from 0 to playing your favorite songs on the piano fast, be sure to hit the bell and the subscribe button because I post new videos every week. And if you're lost and you are scrolling around on YouTube and you have no idea how to learn the piano, I highly recommend watching my free training. In this training, I'm going to show you the exact roadmap that I take my students on that helps them go from 0 to playing their favorite songs fast. The link is in the description below. All right, let's get into these exercises. All of these exercises are going to be based on a very common chord progression, and that chord progression is C, G, A minor, F major, and back to C. The first exercise is called a Blissful Melody Part 1. And here is how that melody will sound. I created this one because it really is a nice workout for fingers 1, 2, and 3. So let's go over it more slowly. In our right hand, we're gonna go. So that was fingers 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're gonna move your hand to the G major position. Thumb on G. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. F major position. Thumbs on F. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to go back to C major. Your left hand's just going to play the chords. A minor, F, C. Ready? Now here's where it gets tricky. I recommend also playing this with your left hand, and that's going to be a workout for fingers 5, 4, 3. It's going to feel way harder, but it's good for you. So let's do it in the reverse. Right hand's playing the chord, left hand's playing the melody. In this case, we're going to go 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. For our second exercise, I've called this a Blissful Melody Part 2. This time in our right hand, we're going to be working 3, 4, and 5. Those weak fingers, get ready. Here we go. All right, that is 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Then move to G major position, 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. A minor position, 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. F major, 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Back to C major. So let's watch it one more time. And just like with the first one, we can go in the reverse. And for our left hand, it's going to be a nice workout for fingers 1, 2, and 3. In this case, it will be 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Ready? G major position. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. So let's listen to that one more time. Now that we've done some good finger work, let's get to some arpeggios. I call these arpeggios serene arpeggios. All right, let's go over what those fingers are more slowly. 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5. All right, that's a lot. We're gonna move to G major position. 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5. 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5. 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5. And then back to C major. All right, let's hear it one more time. And then of course you can do it in the reverse with your left hand. You're just going to start on finger 1. And then move down. All right. Before we get to the next 2 warm-ups, let me know which one is your favorite so far. Let me know in the comments. All right, the next exercise is pretty fun. I call this chord jumps. Here we go. You're gonna be crossing your hands over in this one, which is pretty fun. All right, so we're gonna start with our left hand with this one. C, C, cross over C major. Now we're going to G major. G, G, cross your left hand over. A minor, cross your left hand over. F major, cross your left hand over. And then back to C major. All right, our last one is really pretty. I call this breezy arpeggios. All right, this is how we do this one. It is just the C major chord. So we're gonna play a C major arpeggio in our left hand, then our right hand. We're gonna put our left hand right over where our right hand was. We're gonna move our right hand, play our right hand, cross over our left hand. I'll show you that one more time. Now we're going to go to G major. Then to F major. All right, let's try it one more time. Let's take a listen to it. All right, so that's it for all of our really fun exercises. I made sure to include some good finger work with 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4, 5, our little weak fingers over here, and then of course including arpeggios as well. If all of this sounds really cool, but you really don't know where to begin with learning the piano, I highly recommend watching my free training. I'm gonna show you the roadmap that I take my students on that helps them go from 0 to playing their favorite songs in months, not years. The link is in the description below. And before you head out, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.